and now you choose a friend of mine to help you to get over me. So then how do we still be friends? And how did it get like this? And how do we still be friends? Now that we know our love I agree, it's finally time. I'm ready to say goodbye, and I won't regret the fall. Oh, but I'll remember your love. Every single innocent touch, and despite the tears, I know it's worth it all. Oh, but I won't cry another tear if we let go right now. But if we keep holding on, I'll keep asking how. Oh, how do we still be friends? How did it get like this? And how do we still be friends? Now that we know our love getting over you, it'll be the hardest thing that I'll ever do. Oh, you know, but I'll be alright if I just to get through tonight. But then how